Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite. It's quite a long name and this display is rather damaged. Let's go fix it. And here we have this OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite, and the display is not anymore as responsive, and we can't go into the smartphone without the SIM security pin. So we'll focus our attention now to the hardware aspect. We're gonna shut this phone down and proceed with the repair. We'll start with the back cover. We're gonna remove that. Agitate the adhesive and lift it up slowly. I'm gonna fast forward everything so we can save some time, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like in real time without any fast forwarding. So this one took a while. We don't really want to damage the smartphone. We are not in a hurry. We're gonna give our best for the customer. And then it's okay. We're gonna lift it up on the side here. We're gonna pour some liquid adhesive and we'll save the adhesive strips for later. You're gonna peel it off and lay it flat. And that's the way you pull it out. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the cover for the camera system. This is the cover for the cameras. It looks amazing, but when we remove this cover, the cameras underneath are quite flat or very small. This one way smartphone design is deceiving you. The cameras on these smartphones not really that amazing. You can see there. Yep, there's a bunch of them. They're not special, although very effective. Remove the SIM card tray. Remove some screws on the cover for the frame, and we're gonna lift it up from the side. It's just held on by clips. So everything on the smartphone mostly made up of plastic, so it's very cost effective, making smartphone lighter, cheaper, and resistant to drops. So when you have an iPhone with aluminum frames, you drop it, you bend the frame itself, or when you sit down on it. Plastic doesn't really do that. It's just more resilient in my opinion. As you can see here, you can just pry it off and off it goes. I'm gonna remove the connector for the power buttons, power and volume buttons. And we're gonna test out our replacement display. We have one here. Gonna push that in and power it on. So still we don't have the pin from the customer. We'll have to test the smartphone when they receive it. We can't really show you anything inside it. That's okay, but we can't guarantee that we can check everything. You can check the display, it's okay, and the touchscreen is okay, and that's it. The cameras, we can't really go inside. The sound, we can also test that. But here we have the preliminary confirmation that the smartphone is working. And we're gonna remove the display. First, we're gonna remove this battery because the battery is covering the connector for the display. I'm gonna peel off this plastic. I'm gonna detach connector for the display. I'm gonna pry it starting from this side, and it's easy because the adhesive for the display is not that strong. It's okay because it's easy for us to fix the smartphone. And there you go. Just one connector and it's on. Gonna say goodbye to the old display. Gonna clean up the frame from the old adhesive. Gonna install fresh layer of liquid adhesive. Gonna fast forward it. Gonna cover the entire thing, avoiding the camera hole, of course. Gonna route the connector for the display through that frame slot and position it. Press it in. And we'll focus our attention now to the back mostly. And just reverse the process. We're gonna flatten the connector for the display and cover it up with the battery. So if you have a OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite, needs a new battery, needs a new display, just head over to Sydney CBD Repair Center and David here will perform amazing repair jobs for your smartphone. And just like what we have shown here, this is the actual repair of an actual customer smartphone. We are an independent repair shop, very humble repair shop. So if your local repair service technician can't perform the repairs you want, you can visit us here in Sydney. If you're not from Sydney, you can't visit us in person anytime soon, you can also mail in your broken smartphone, although we have to coordinate the shipping of your device to us and back to you. We're gonna perform the same repairs here in the shop. We're gonna message you when it's done and ship back your smartphone in working condition, hopefully as quick as possible. So this is before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video. Until next time, take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.